Good afternoon, Angus from Moss Jaguar. Just want to run you through a car that we've got for sale. It's on our brokerage books. It's a 1969-70 Series 2 fixed head, fully restored, professionally fully restored. Features things like a 5-speed E-Type FHC gearbox, 1, 2, 3 electronic ignition, various other reliability upgrades, upgraded fans, etc. So a very nice car, ready to be used and enjoyed and driven. As you can see, the panel gaps are okay. You know, they're fine. The chrome's good. The wheels are good. It was all new about 10 years ago. And we've also got a big history file to go through. So it's a matching numbers car, apart from the gearbox, obviously. Everything has been rebuilt, new wiring looms, etc. So I'll just run you through the interior of the car first. Okie doke. So, colour combination, we've got gunmetal grey with red. As you can see, very nicely trimmed inside, standard interior for a Series 2. Period radio that has been updated for DAB as well. So yeah, just ready to use, drive and enjoy. I'll start to pull the bonnet open so we can have a look at the engine. So there we are. So standard 4.2 engine, fully rebuilt. Cooling system works fine. Electrics are all fine. I'm not sure what the brake fluid is, whether it's .5 silicon or .4. As you can see, nothing to really report on apart from it's been fully restored and not used a lot, to be honest. It's not been used a lot. Obviously, the car will have been through our workshop to make sure it doesn't overheat, fully serviced, ready to go. It'll come with our standard 3-month warranty on the car, and we don't mess about with that. If anything goes wrong, we will sort it out in the first 3 months. If we come to the rear of the car, just open the rear hatch. You can see again very nice trim. The standard trim inside for a Series 2 with the running boards. You get so much luggage in there, it isn't true. We tour Italy, Germany, Spain in our car. It's a Series 1 fixed head, similar to this, similar colour combination. And we can get everything that we ever need in the car for 2 people with no problem at all. To restore a car like this today would cost you about £200,000. This car is for sale with us for $78,500, and it's a pretty cheap car for that money. Okay, thanks very much for watching.